Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Clearpay with eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your browser and type in ebay.com and get into the official website. Now let's study about the Clearpay. So Clearpay is basically a payment service which lets you go with the service of buy first and pay later. It will let you pay for your product in installment. So if you have been wondering whether eBay lets that service allowed or not, unfortunately it does not. You cannot use a service on eBay because it does not offer that service anyways. You won't find that option at all. So instead, what you can do is you can simply choose to buy eBay gift cards, or you can use Clearpay, and through that you can buy eBay gift cards. So when you simply tap on a product that you would like to buy, go to the buy now, and in the payment method section, use gift card as an option, add in the gift card number and redeem it and buy that product instead. So that is the only option available for it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.